Ever felt that sting of rejection when you really needed a little financial boost? Like, you're this close to payday, a small emergency pops up, and you think, Beforepay can help. You apply, full of hope, and then, denied. Ouch. It's frustrating, right? You're left wondering, why? What did I do wrong? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the reasons why your Beforepay application might have been rejected, and hopefully, giving you some insights and tips for the future. Beforepay, like any financial service, has specific criteria they use to assess your eligibility. They're essentially lending you money, even if it's a small amount, so they need to make sure they're likely to get it back. Think of it like any other loan, there's an evaluation process. And that process is where things can sometimes get tricky. One of the most common reasons for rejection is income instability. Beforepay needs to see a consistent and reliable income stream. If your paychecks are sporadic, or your income fluctuates wildly, it can raise a red flag. They want to be confident that you'll be able to repay the advance within the agreed time frame. So, if you're a freelancer with inconsistent gigs, or you're in a job with fluctuating hours, this could be a factor. Another crucial element is your banking history. Beforepay looks at your recent bank transactions to understand your spending habits and financial behavior. Are you consistently overdrawing your account? Are there a lot of payday loan or similar short-term loan repayments showing up? These can indicate financial stress and make Beforepay hesitant to approve your application. They want to see responsible financial management, not someone who's constantly relying on short-term fixes. Existing debts also play a significant role. If you have a lot of outstanding loans, credit card debt, or other financial obligations, Beforepay might see you as a higher risk. They're concerned that adding another repayment to your plate could stretch your finances too thin, making it harder for you to repay them. They want to minimize the risk of you defaulting on your advance. Now, let's talk about the application itself. Even a small error in your application can lead to rejection. Double-check everything. Make sure your personal information is accurate, your employment details are correct, and your banking information is precise. A simple typo can throw the whole process off. Honesty is paramount here. Don't try to inflate your income or hide any debts. Beforepay has ways of verifying this information, and dishonesty will almost certainly lead to rejection. Credit score. While Beforepay doesn't always explicitly state a minimum credit score requirement, your credit history does play a part in their assessment. A low credit score can indicate a history of missed payments or other financial difficulties, which could make Beforepay less likely to approve your application. It's not the only factor, but it's definitely something they consider. Finally, sometimes it's just a matter of timing. Perhaps you've recently applied for other loans or credit, and your credit report is still reflecting those inquiries. This can make you appear as a higher risk, even if you were approved for the other loans. Sometimes, it's worth waiting a little while before applying again, to give your financial situation a chance to stabilize and for your credit report to update. So, what can you do if you've been denied? Don't despair. First, try to understand why you were rejected. Beforepay usually provides some feedback, even if it's general. Review your application carefully. Check your bank statements, your credit report, and make sure everything is accurate and reflects responsible financial management. If you can address the underlying issues, like inconsistent income or high debt levels, then you can always reapply later. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.